Hi there, everyone, and welcome to another Payroll 2021 in Excel video. Let's talk about Ohio. It's Ohio time. A lot to talk about in Ohio. They've had rates effective since 2020 that will be going through 2021 till the end of 2021. So this should be good to go for the year of 2021. What do you need? You need to get your employee to fill out an IT4 exemption certificate, where they're just going to basically give you a total number of withholding exemptions here in line 4 if they are applicable to have withholding in Ohio. You're just going to put that number right here. That's all you're going to do. Whatever it is, 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, you're going to put it there. And here's the other thing. A lot of different cities, a lot of local different taxes. There are actually 660 different cities in here. There was a nice database that you can download from the Ohio website that keeps track of this. I did that. It gives you a bunch of the cities and the effective years, which they had progressive different rates. So I took the most recent years for all of them and sorted them out, and voila, we have a full list, the effective date, and what the rate is. And the cool thing about this file is you're just going to choose the city, whatever it is, and the rate's going to change. It's going to tell you. You don't have to choose one. If they live in a place where there is no city or local tax, you can leave it blank. But there are obviously a lot of different 660 municipalities there. So you can do that. It's going to fill in the rate automatically. And now you can look at how do we calculate the Ohio state tax. The local tax is pretty obvious. You're just going to take that rate times the gross pay, and you're going to get the local tax. But what about the actual Ohio tax? LMNO. Where are you, Ohio? Where'd you go? Oh, right there. It's pretty easy. They give you one withholding rate to use. You don't have to pick a filing status or anything, but you do need to take the gross pay for the period, multiply it by the number of pay periods in the year, and then subtract out the Ohio exemption amount, which is $650 per exemption for this year, 2020 to 2021. That's right here, $650. So once you do that, you end up with a taxable gross wage here, and then you're going to apply this formula to it. And this formula is the algebraic equivalent of this in an Excel file, which is trying to figure out what the wage base is. Is it less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 40,000? You're going to do this to the remaining wages, add an amount, times 1.03. They did lay it out for you. In order to type all that in, it looks like this in a nested if formula up here, and it works. So I can paste that in links below if you need it. That's all you have to do because you don't have to worry about filing statuses or anything. So when that's all said and done, you end up with a paycheck. And you can toggle between your employees, different amounts, and you're going to get that local tax and that Ohio tax right there. Ira Allen, first pay period. Yep. $1,854 on $1,800 pay. You just change the gross pay for these people, and you can see how the rate would change, or you could change the number of allowances. Instead of, say, it's only $800 in a week, and let's say the person has just one allowance. Let's say that they're not in Bloomingdale, they're actually in Bluffton. And what do you have? You get a brand new check. In Bluffton, $10 there, 18 there, that's it. That's as easy as it can be. There's drop-down reports here for Ohio, different quarters, different periods. You can change and see what the amounts are. And the Form 941, there's also other pivots where you can refresh and see all the different breakdowns of the cities that you have and what wages, if any, you have to remit to those, or when you file the end of the year reporting to break down all the cities and districts if you have employees over different cities. So lots of things you can do here. If you're interested in the Payroll and Excel program, the big old 50-state version's coming out soon. I am going to get all this done here, bang out the last, I don't know. I think there's 10 states maybe left to go. Let's see here. Hidden in here somewhere, we've got Ohio done now, and now some North Dakota, Nebraska, New York I have almost done, just have to do that. Oklahoma, Oregon. We're going to get these done. It's going to get done. So, all right, good luck for everybody. Payroll in Excel, it's easy. It's easy. You should make it as easy as you can. And if you have a business in Ohio and you need help with your payroll, just let me know, and I should be able to get a file like this for you very inexpensively, and you can help run it with your business and file our reporting and everything. So good luck, everybody.